Good afternoon, everyone. This is Drew with Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in this 2023 BMW X5 xDrive40i. This vehicle has a 3-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder with 335 horsepower and 331 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's pretty nice in here. This is not an M Sport or anything. It's just a regular xDrive40i. So you have the regular steering wheel, not the 3-spoke M wheel, but you do have the heated steering wheel in this and heated seats, which is nice. And you have the wood trim. It looks like it's open pore wood trim. And this is the last year of the pre-facelift of this generation of the X5. But even the 2023, they changed like the seats to have like the newer BMW seat design. So like it has like that contrast, or not contrast, but like the diamond stitch. And you have the panoramic roof in this vehicle. You also have a pretty big screen, which I like. And you have the wireless charging tray. I like that placement for the wireless charging tray. It's nice. You put you have cup holders right there. Pretty nice center console storage. You have 360-degree camera system. Paddle shifters behind the wheel. This one does not have Harman Kardon. It just has the BMW sound system. You have LED headlights. These are not laser lights, but they are LED. I like the running boards. Pretty standard looking wheels, nothing too crazy there. And here are the rear seats. I like how you have USB charging ports in the rear seat. That's kind of cool. Pretty inoffensive rear end on this car. It's nice, not too overpowering, just looks good. You do have the xDrive40i badge on the back too. When this generation of the X5 first came out, I didn't really like the back of the car, but over time I grew to like it. And that's power. So you can use this to load in your luggage or groceries or whatever, and you can also tailgate out the back of this thing, just sit on that bench, have a few drinks. But let's take this car out for a drive. You have a manual adjustable thigh extension, I mean. This is a nice driving SUV. I was just taking around the block before I took out the camera for the video. All BMWs just drive really nice. I say it in all my videos. BMW has a great way of making every single one of their cars fun to drive, regardless if you get a base model with no options or a fully loaded M vehicle. They all are driver oriented, and they all are fun to drive with quick transmissions. Like you'll never find a BMW with a CVT transmission or something like that. They all are fun, and they all handle well, corner well, have good driving characteristics and good sounding engines. That's what BMW is known for. That's why they're called the ultimate driving machine. For every single BMW owner to enjoy driving their car to an extent. Nice. Very smooth acceleration. This 8-speed is great. BMW's 8-speed is one of the best in the auto industry. It's one of the smoothest transmissions I've ever tried. I've driven all kinds of BMWs from many different model years, and they're all very nice. BMW and Porsche are definitely my favorite automotive brands. Yeah, this is nice. I mean, as I said, this is not even like a performance X5, but it's still really really quick, and also the ride's real smooth. Seats are really smooth, comfortable, feels good. The xDrive will give you a little bit of extra acceleration off a rear-wheel drive, just because like the power output towards the wheels, it's like it's like kind of direct, which is good. But yeah, you do have Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto in this vehicle. And with the iDrive controller, you can control the screen, or you can use the touchscreen capability. Let's take a quick U-turn here. Nice. Car is very well controlled. It doesn't feel squirrely in any way. It feels very connected to the road. That's what I mean. As I said, like a lot of brands like 3-row SUVs, they feel very squirrely. Like in the wind, they'll start shaking. You take it around corners, you feel like you're going to tip over. In any BMW, you're never going to feel that way. Even in this, like the steering is just so well weighted. Even in the comfort mode or Eco Pro mode, steering is going to feel very well weighted. In the sport mode, it'll become a little heavier, obviously. But the car, just the suspension, the way the car connects, hugs the road, it's great. This is a nice car. And also BMW's turn signal stocks, they're one of the best. So satisfying to hit the turn signal nice and heavy stock, and you feel like a little satisfying clicking noise. All the little tactile touch points in cars I really appreciate, if they're like nice metal buttons or heavy feeling buttons. Like I don't really like when cars have like really flimsy turn signal stocks, because it's something you're going to touch and press every single time you get in the car. So yeah, it's nice to have some higher quality touches. Like the start stop buttons, a little Memphis metal. Also I like this metal right here, the trim pieces and all that. But overall, this is a nice BMW X5. Thank you for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for new and pre-owned BMWs.